News 5, it is our mission for the next several months to be a guiding light in southern Colorado, working alongside you as we all rebound from the COVID-19 pandemic. Tonight, as our healthcare heroes push forward, Colorado's small businesses and workers hoping they'll soon see a rebound in an uncertain economy. The good news is leaders at the Pikes Peak Workforce Center say they are ready and willing to help. News 5's Patrick Nelson has more.
The coronavirus pandemic is a crisis. For those of us who haven't experienced the health concerns, we've experienced the impact of an uncertain economy. But for workers here in the Pikes Peak region, there is hope. The Pikes Peak Workforce Center says businesses are hiring, and it's already seen a huge uptick in calls, helping to get businesses and workers back on their feet. The Workforce Center workspace is empty right now as the team is focused on social distancing and preventing the spread of COVID-19, but remotely the team is answering their phones for anyone in need. Right now the Workforce Center is helping area business leaders to manage this crisis, plus they are connecting people looking for work with potential employers and training resources.
It's been crazy. We went from, and I just pulled the data last night, we went from the beginning of March averaging about 25 calls a day on our main telephone number to over 160 to 175 calls a day now.
County officials and business leaders are working on developing policies to help businesses reopen safely when the time comes.
We do believe that a lot of that will be dictated either by the federal government or the state government, so we'll take their guidelines and then assist our businesses.
Tri-Lakes Chamber of Commerce President and CEO TERRI Hayes says in the meantime, people in need of employment help should make the call to the Workforce Center because going back to work now will benefit your career later.
That track of you working is going to show an employer that you have the dedication that it takes. But I also wouldn't worry because right now people are going to understand that there's going to be a blank in your resume right now, and it's not going to necessarily be held against you. But remember, when we come out of this, you are going to be searching for jobs with everybody else. So if you can secure something now, then I think that's going to be better off for you in the long run.
The Pikes Peak Workforce Center is also making plans for reopening their office space once it is able to do so safely. Leaders say being able to connect people to technology in the office and to area libraries is important for people who don't have the means to apply for online jobs at home. Prior to the coronavirus shutdowns, the American economy was on a record-setting pace with low unemployment, which meant the team at the Workforce Center was scaled back. Now, work is being done to ramp up staff and services to meet the needs of everyone in the Pikes Peak region who needs help.
A lot of what we do is provide hope. We provide guidance and direction. For people this time around, people are filing for unemployment that have never filed for unemployment before. You're calling the state system. You're not able to get in. You're getting kicked off. You're wondering if I'm going to get any money, what's going to happen. Workforce centers nationwide are that go-to resource to provide that individual service that you need.
If you or someone you know could use some advice or maybe even the employment resources offered by the Pikes Peak Workforce Center, you can find all of that on our website, KOAA.com. Always watching out for you, Patrick Nelson,